Hi, I'm Chris Long with Go Fish Digital, and welcome to another episode of 60-Second SEO. Today we're going to talk about how to find internal linking opportunities at scale by using Screaming Frog. So let's use the Go Fish Digital site as an example, and let's say we wanted to find internal linking opportunities for the text duplicate content. We can actually use Screaming Frog to do this. What you're going to want to do is open up Screaming Frog and go to Configuration, and then go here to Custom, and then choose Custom Search. It's going to allow us to search any text we want that's on our website. Here I went in and entered duplicate content, selected HTML, and then selected OK, and had Screaming Frog run through a crawl. I scroll down here to this custom search. I can go to my first search option, and here you can see Screaming Frog is going to pull all the different pages where we use the text duplicate content. Now we have a quick and easy way to find internal linking opportunities where we know that anchor text already exists on the page. This can be a great use of Screaming Frog to find these internal linking opportunities at scale.